Emma's dad is not sad or mad, but glad to be here talking to you. Emma's dad stumbles or falls, but Emma's dad is right where he wants to be. Bringing hope, hope for a cure, a hope that this is all a dream and we are okay.
What's up, guys? Emma's dad here, bringing you guys along with another video. So today, I'm going over my office space, my kind of studio office. Kind of walk you guys through what I got going on here, kind of explaining what's going on. First off, there's my office setup, my desk, laptop, monitor. Got a microphone for when I do voiceovers. This sound deadening stuff. I don't want no echoes or nothing over here, right? In my corner. Videos. This is where the camera is sitting and so forth. Not too shabby, I don't think. Not too shabby. Here's the one microphone, monitor. And like I say, it's not the best, fastest computer in the world, but it works for me. You know, it's Chromebook, it gets the job done. It's light for added light, ambience, and the little blinky LED lights and stuff, change the colors. I put my camera over there by my tattoo station. This is my tattoo station. This is where the magic happens when Emma's dad starts to ink that stuff up. I gotta restock my needles up there. Looking kind of sparse. But I digress. As always, my friends, this has been Emma's dad. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Thanks for tagging along and walking through the space with me. So I can show you guys what I'm working with and kind of get your feedback on it. I don't know. I guess. I don't know. I don't really... know what to improve, honestly. So if you guys can think of anything, let me know. Comment down below. I mean, obviously there's always the... You need to get better quality stuff, you know. Sometimes your quality of stuff may be lacking. But, you know, price dictates what I purchase, really. I don't have a ton of money. I'm disabled and I don't have any income. I don't even have disability, so... My friends, never give up, never slow down, never back down. You guys got this, I know you do. I see it already. You guys are amazing.
Emma's dad is not sad or mad, but glad to be here talking to you. Emma's dad stumbles or falls, but Emma's dad is right where